the strongest of bridges.
We're getting closer to the birthday party. Again? Oh, how will I get across this time? Here I go testing your bridge.
You did it! And all three presents made it across!
Nice work. The dragon is much closer now. Will you help? Here I go, go, go. Terrific! You are becoming a master builder.
This bridge is made up of multiple pieces. I wonder if putting something under the bridge to hold it up would make it stronger. Let's test it!
Here I go, go, go.
We might need to try different bridge pieces. Oh no, it wasn't strong enough. We need to add something to help hold it up. Move thing one onto the gray rock to help hold up the bridge. Let's test it!
Here I go, go, go. You worked hard in this game. How persistent. Here's a persistence seed for your...
You are so observant.
We're getting closer to the birthday party. We need to make a new bridge. You're being curious and trying different things. Here's a curiosity reward to use in the garden. Here I go, go, go.
Great engineering skills.
The dragon is much closer now. Can you help again? I think I need another bridge. Here I go, go, go. Your bridge worked great. You are becoming a master builder. Where did all the bridges go? I won't make that party without your help. Here I go testing your bridge.
You are a builder extraordinaire.
The dragon is much closer now. I can't get across that. Luckily, you're here to help. Here I go, go, go. I made it with all 3 presents.
You are quite the engineer. You did it! Keep playing. There's more to do.
A delivery crate for free play. Tap on it.
Here's your very own bridge. Drag bridge pieces in place to start your bridge. Nice bridge! Try building different types of bridges.